Hey, Jay here with My Tennessee Home Solution. I'm here with Patricia, a homeowner that we just bought her house, we just closed, and she's about to be on her way tomorrow. So just wanted to ask you what situation you found yourself in.
We made the choice to move back to New York, Central New York, with the kids, and we wanted to do it quickly. And we called My Tennessee Home Association, and they managed to get us good price and a quick closing, so we can be on our way to move back to Central New York with our children.
Cool. Thank you, Patricia. And would you say, how'd you feel about your experience working with us?
It was a very good experience. Very friendly people. Everybody was nice. They took care of the paperwork quickly, got it to us quickly, and put up with our meltdowns when things seemed like they weren't going to go through right.
Awesome. Thank you, sir.
They're great people to work with.
Appreciate it. If you'd like to work with us as well, you find yourself in a similar situation, feel free to go to our website or give us a call, and we'll get back with you.